Kooglupooglu. Hi guys, welcome to another CVC Words episode. Today we're going to learn consonant, vowel, consonant, as you know. We're going to do the short letter U words. So, come on, learn and practice with me. B-U-G, bug. B-U-G, bug. D-U-G, dug. D-U-G, dug. H-U-G, hug. H-U-G, hug. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. M-U-G, mug. M-U-G, mug. R-U-G, rug. R-U-G, rug. T-U-G, tug. T-U-G, tug. B-U-T, butt. B-U-T, butt. C-U-T, cut. C-U-T, cut. H-U-T, hut. H-U-T, hut. N-U-T, nut. N-U-T, nut. B-U-M, bum. B-U-M, bum. G-U-M, gum. G-U-M, gum. M-U-M, mum. M-U-M, mum. S-U-M, sum. S-U-M, sum. B-U-N, bun. B-U-N, bun. F-U-N, fun. F-U-N, fun. G-U-N, gun. G-U-N, gun. N-U-N, none. N-U-N, none. R-U-N, run. R-U-N, run. S-U-N, sun, S-U-N, sun. C-U-B, cub, C-U-B, cub. H-U-B, hub, H-U-B, hub. P-U-B, pub, P-U-B, pub. R-U-B, rub, R-U-B, rub. S-U-B, sub, S-U-B, sub. T-U-B, tub, T-U-B, tub. B-U-D, bud, B-U-D, bud. M-U-D, mud, M-U-D, mud. B-U-S, bus, B-U-S, bus. C-U-P, cup, C-U-P, cup. P-U-P, pup, P-U-P, pup. Thanks for watching, and also show your support by subscribing my channel and also following me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye!